Hi Tyler, it's Mrs. Spence here. I heard you were having some problems on number 5, so I made this little video for you to explain how to do it. Bear with me because it's a little bit tricky to try to type answers mathematically out on the computer, but I'm going to give it my best shot for you, okay? So this is number 5. It was 12 plus 21 divided by 3 plus 2 to the 5th times 0. Remember, when you're doing order of operations, the first thing that you look for are anything in parentheses. There are no parentheses in here at all, so I'm not going to worry about that. The next step would be to look for exponents. I do see an exponent right here. 2 to the 5th has an exponent, so you need to do that first. That means everything else in the expression stays. So the 12 plus 21 divided by 3 plus, this is where I'm going to now do 2 to the 5th. 2 to the 5th means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, or 5 2's multiplied by each other. And then I have times 0 at the end. I'm going to bump down one line so that I can show you how I would do 2 to the 5th. So when I do 2 to the 5th, I see the first one is 2 times 2. So I know 2 times 2 is 4. And then I see another 2 times 2, which I know is 4 again, times another 2. Then I would do 4 times 4, which is equal to 16, times 2 stays. Now I'm going to do 16 times 2, which is 32. So that all that 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 5 times, is all equal to 32. So I'm just going to delete all that and put in 32 so I can move on. Now that I took care of the exponent, I'm again going to look from left to right, and this time I'm looking for any multiplication or any division. So anything that is not multiplication or division stays the same and stays there. So it starts with 12 plus, that stays. The next thing I see is 21 divided by 3. So I'm going to do 21 divided by 3, which happens to be 7. The next thing that I see is a plus sign. And then I see 32 times 0. Well, 32 times 0 is a multiplication, so that's what I should do next. 32 times 0 is 0. Once you have all the division and all the multiplication taken care of, now you're going to do addition and subtraction, and again you're going to go from left to right. So I see 12 plus 7, that's 19, plus 0, now that's just 19. So my final answer here is 19. This one is kind of tricky because you need to keep in mind that you're always working from left to right when you see two of the same thing on the same level, the same steps like multiplication and division. I think what might have gotten you tripped up is that this addition sign was separating a division and a multiplication. So 19 is the final answer, and I hope this little video helps you to figure out how to do number 5. Keep up the good work, keep trying hard, and hopefully I will be able to talk to you, email you, or see you soon. Thanks, bye.